Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me REALME Q5 PRO device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable developer options on this phone. Firstly, open settings, then scroll down and find about device. Here, find status. And here you will see your serial number, your email number, but we need the version. Here choose build number and click on it 7 times. Confirm your pattern or password log. Then go back, choose system settings, and now here you will see developer options. But okay. As you can see here, I have developer options. Find it and great, now you have developer options on your device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.